Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Hilton Garden in Kuala Lumpur, North. It's a 4-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are free Wi-Fi, parking, family rooms, superb fitness center, non-smoking rooms and a restaurant. Hilton Garden in Kuala Lumpur, Jalan Tuanku. Abdul Rahman offers accommodation in Kuala Lumpur. It features a fitness center and guests can enjoy meals at the in-house restaurant. Free Wi-Fi is available in all rooms. Dinner in the Sky KL is 0.9 miles from Hilton Garden in Kuala Lumpur, while Petronas Twin Towers is 1 mile from the property. The nearest airport is Sultan Abdul Aziz Shah Airport, 10.6 miles from Hilton Garden in Kuala Lumpur. Jalan Tuanku. Abdul Rahman. Air-conditioned rooms are fitted with a flat-screen HDTV, mini refrigerator and a safe. Some units open up to views of the Petronas Twin Towers. You will find a kettle in the room. En-suite bathrooms include shower facilities and free toiletries. Guests can approach the 24-hour front desk for luggage storage and laundry services. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.